Hello, welcome, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Solution Canva toolkit. From the dashboard, I'll click Solution Canva. This will be what you see once you do that, and this is the knowledge area that explains about the tool, what it is, how it was created, and how to best use it. It also gives you tips on the best you can get out of the tool. On the right, you'll see an empty activities tile, and on top of it there's a button said New Activity, and you can start using the tool by creating New Activity button. It will prompt you to enter a title of your activity, and in this case I'm going to say Jane FM 3. Create activity, and here we are inside the Canva itself. Once you're in the Canva, you'll see that the Canva presents 9 columns representing 9 key strategic areas that you have to consider and that will help you. Once you're in, you can choose to edit the title. In this case, I'm choosing to edit from Jane FM 3 and click here to save. Under each column, you'll see an eye icon. Once you click it, it will provide more information about that particular column. So for instance, if I want to understand more about process, I'll click the I button here and it will bring me on process. If I want to understand more about people and culture, what the column means, I'll click the I icon and it will bring me more information about people and culture, etc. throughout each column. To see the guiding questions and start using the tool, you would click Note, which will then prompt you to entering the title of the note, which I'm choosing to say AA6. It will then prompt you to either choose a question or answer generally. In this case, I'm going to choose a question, and I'm also going to choose the color of my note to green. Create note. Once the note is created, you can see the title, the question you chose, an area to answer your question. In this case, I can say another test. As my answer, I can enter as many points as possible here. I can say yes and no as my answer. So in case I want to delete a point, I'll click the X button. But you can also edit this entire note by clicking the pencil icon on the right. So if I want to edit, say, the color, I can just click here and it will bring the entire form again. I keep the title, I keep the same question, and I just want to change the color to orange, so I'm going to update. And you'll see that the changes will be instantly reflected. If I want to delete this entire note, I'm going to click this icon, delete icon. But you can also use this icon to collapse or expand your notes. So in case you have many notes, you can choose to collapse them or just expand them. You can also edit or delete while the notes are collapsed, since you can see the titles. So this is the same throughout all columns. You can choose to answer every different column on its own at your own pace. In this case, I'm going to just say I want to answer this generally, so I'm not going to choose any question, and I'm going to pick yellow as my color. And here it is. So the same applies throughout all of the columns. You can create as many notes as possible. If they get too many, you can collapse them and later expand them. And once you say you want to take a break and come back the next day, you can do that by just going back. Here you can see the activities we've created. You can either choose to edit this activity by clicking this icon. You can choose to delete this activity, and you can choose to export the PDF. So in this case, I'm going to delete GenFM3, and I'm going to edit GenFM3. You see, it brings me back right where I left off, and you can keep on from here. But you can also choose to download or export this PDF by clicking this button, and once you do that, you will see the PDF downloaded instantly. Thank you. I hope this helps you come up with sustainable solutions for digital transformation and revenue creation. All the best.